So a few weeks ago, I installed this front spoiler right here on my Tesla Model Y, and it's giving the car personality, and it looks great, and it's a lot of good style there. But I was also thinking, what else could I do to the front of my car that will make this spoiler pop out and that will give the car even more personality? And that's where my friends over at EVBASE.com had me covered with their new fog light cover blade trim frame. And with this accessory, it's made with real ABS material, and it's very easy to install, and it gives your car that unique look. And you can get this accessory or any accessory for your Tesla or any EV that you own at EVBASE.com when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. And all of this information will be linked below. So let's get right to the install. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the frame. We have our fog light here. And before you peel it off, you want to make sure that you have a good fit here. If you can come on in so the people can see a little bit how we're going to do. Now we are just going to press it, and you have an indent right here. As you can see, there's a little indent, so you want to make sure that that indent is going on there well before we stick it on. So this is what we're going to do after we get that. It comes with some adhesion prompter, which has a really strong smell. You probably shouldn't have smelled it, but we are just going to wipe over where that adhesion tape is. You do want to make sure that you wash your car first. And after you put this adhesion prompter on here, we're just going to let this wait roughly about 30 seconds. So while we are waiting on this side, I'm just going to go over and repeat the same process with my adhesion prompter. Now it's been about 30 seconds, so just a little bit more. You have red tape here, so all we're going to do is just peel off the adhesive tape. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this frame here, we're going to let it run parallel right here to my fog light and not on it. So we have the dent over here as well, and we're just going to line that up, and we want to make sure that we don't press it in until everything is nice and lined up. So we just want to make sure that's parallel, not on the light. And from there, we're just going to go on and give it one good or two or three strong push. So we're just going to hold this in place for a good another 30 seconds. So we're just going to push this, and this is real ABS material, and we're just going to hold this right into place just so it will get a good, strong, firm connection with the car. And after that, we're just going to give it a little tug just to make sure that all of the pieces that you see here are not flabbing and it's not pulling away from the car. So right now, we're just going to go on and repeat the same process over here on the passenger side. All right, so this is what we're looking at right here. And this is the unique look, and it's going well, very well with that front spoiler that we installed a few weeks ago. And this will only take about 5 to 7 minutes if you were just wanting to put it on real quick. So we are talking about a super quick, a super easy install. And remember, you can get 20% off at EVBASE.com when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. And I have more accessory videos right over there. Be sure you check it out because they're very easy installs that will enhance your Tesla. And I will see you in the next video.